Students, whatever homework is given to you, you have to submit it on the very next day between 8 am to 1 pm to the given WhatsApp number, and it is compulsory to submit your homework as your attendance will be marked on the basis of your submission.
Students, in this video we will learn new words of lesson number 5, human body. So let's start. Number 1, organ. O-R or G-A-N, gun. Organ. Organ means a part of the body that has a special function. शरीर का एक अंग जिसमें एक विशेष कार्य होता है, जैसे आंख, कान वगैरह. नंबर 2, ऑर्गन सिस्टम. O-R और G-A-N, गन. ऑर्गन. सिस्टम, S-Y, S-T-E-M, stem, system. Organ system means group of organs working together. मतलब अंगों का साथ में मिलकर काम करना या अंग प्रणाली. नंबर 3, डाइजेशन. D-I, G-E-S, T-I-O-N, tion. Digestion. Digestion means the process of changing food into usable form. मतलब खाना हजम होना या पाचन क्रिया, हाजमा. नंबर 4, skeleton. S-K-E, L-E-T-O-N, ton. Skeleton. Skeleton means framework of bones. मतलब हड्डियों का ढांचा. नंबर 5, मसल्स. M-U-M-S-C-L-E-S, cells. Muscles. Muscles means the fleshy part of body, शरीर का मांस वाला हिस्सा या मांसपेशियां. नंबर 6, nerve. N-E-R-V-E, nerve. Nerve means blood tube, मतलब नस. नंबर 7, distinguish. D-I-D-S-T-I-N, stin. G-U-I-S-H, guish. Distinguish. Distinguish means to mark as separate, मतलब अंतर करना. नंबर 8, spinal. S-P-I-N, spine. A-L-L, spinal. Spinal means relating to backbone, मतलब रीढ़ की हड्डी. नंबर 9, essential. E-A-S-S-E-N, sen. T-I-A-L, shall. Essential. Essential means necessary, मतलब आवश्यक या जरूरी. नंबर 10, fragrance. F-R-A, G-R-A-N-C-E, grance. Fragrance. Fragrance means sweet smell, मतलब सुगंध. Now let's revise. Organ, organ system, digestion, skeleton, muscles, nerve, distinguish, spinal, essential, fragrance. Thank you. Now students, we will see the animation of this chapter. So let's see.
Chapter 5, Human Body. You will learn our body, our sense organs, organ systems, regular exercise. Our body. Our body has many parts. Each part of the body has specific function. All the parts of the body work like a machine, but it can do many things that a machine cannot do. A part of the body that has a special function is called an organ. Sense organs. The organs which help us to sense the world around us are called sense organs. These are eyes, nose, ears, tongue, and skin. The nose helps us get all types of smells. The two holes are called nostrils, through which we breathe air in and out. A pair of eyes makes us see the whole world. We can even distinguish the shape, size, and color of any object with our eyes. The two ears present on either side of our face help us to hear the sound. Do you know? Your ears never stop hearing, even while you're asleep. We taste the food with the help of our tongue. It also helps us to speak. We feel anything by touch with the help of our skin. The skin covers the body and protects the internal organs. Do you know? Skin is the largest organ of the body. Organ systems. The body has a large number of organs. All the organs of the body do some work or function. Organs cannot work alone. A number of organs work together and make organ system. There are different organ systems within the human body. Let us know about the organ systems of our body. The digestive system. The process by which the food changes into simple form is called digestion. The digestion starts from the mouth. The teeth in the mouth chew the food. The chewed food reaches the stomach where it mixes with the digestive juices. From stomach, the food reaches the small intestine. The juices present here break the food. The useful part of the food passes into the blood, and the rest, which is not useful, goes to the large intestine. It is thrown out of the body through anus. The respiratory system. We take in air through nose. The air goes into the windpipe and then to the lungs. The lungs are just like balloons. The oxygen gas present in the air burns the food we eat and gives us energy. The air we breathe out is carbon dioxide, which is impure. This process of using oxygen to burn the food and release energy is called respiration. Correct way of breathing. Breathe through the nose. Breathe fresh air. Allow the fresh air to let in. Keep the doors and windows open. Do not cover your face while sleeping. The circulatory system. The heart, blood, and blood vessels together form the circulatory system. Heart is about the size of a fist and works like a pump. The heart pumps the blood and supplies it to different organs through blood vessels. The blood supplies food, oxygen, and other essential materials to all the parts of the body. It also takes back the waste materials. Blood circulates all around our body in about 1 or 2 minutes. The skeletal system. The skeletal system is made up of the bones. The framework of the bones forms the skeleton. There are 206 bones in the adult human body. The skeleton gives the shape to the body. It also supports the body. Do you know? Babies are born with 270 soft bones that fuse together by the age of 25 into 206 hard, permanent bones. The muscular system. The muscles of the body form the muscular system. Muscles make half of the body weight. We are able to move and do many types of work due to the muscles along with the bones. Regular exercise. Good way to keep our muscles strong is to exercise daily. It helps to keep us fit and healthy. Exercise maintains the body weight. It makes us active and we are able to learn our lessons better. The nervous system. The nervous system is made up of the brain, the spinal cord, and the nerves. All the actions of our body are controlled by this system. The brain receives messages sent by the sense organs and other parts of our body. It then gives orders to act accordingly. We are able to think and learn with the help of our nervous system. The excretory system. The wastes of our body are removed by excretory system. It is very important to remove the wastes from the body to work properly. The waste, such as urine, is removed by a pair of kidneys. The lungs release carbon dioxide and skin helps to take out the sweat from the body. The reproductive system. The reproductive system helps to produce babies. Reproduction means to produce one of its own kinds. Let us revise. A part of the body that has a special function is called organ. The organs which help us to sense the surrounding are called sense organs. The process by which the food changes into usable form is called digestion. This process of using oxygen to burn the food and release energy is called respiration. The skeletal system is made up of bones. The nervous system is made up of brain, spinal cord, and the nerves. The wastes of the body are removed by excretory system.